So first of all, I want you to think about it in these terms. Everything is about tools, the proper tool. For example, when you sit down and eat a bowl of cereal, do you use a spoon or a shovel? You see, the proper tool matters. And I'm going to show you how to turn this into the proper tool. Hey, what's up? Bertrand Tech Man coming back at you with another video. Now, in our community tab, we had a very nice discussion about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 outer screen. Now, some people say that, well, this screen is too narrow. They say you can't write on the front. You can't do any typing on it. And for all of those reasons, they say that they don't like it. And I say, is that so? Let's check it out. Hey, I'm Bertrand Tech Man, and every week I produce tech videos. I give tips showing you how to use tech to make your life just a little easier. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your outer screen. Now, take a look at my screen. This screen is maximized for use of not fingers or writing or anything like that. It's maximized to be able to use voice text or voice commands, using your voice to do whatever you want to do. If you do it that way, then you will find benefit from this screen. Now, yes, let me say this. It is true. The screen is narrow, but the way that it feels in my hand, I really like that. I think that the size allows me to be able to fully appreciate the fullness of the phone. Now, second point, yes, it is very hard to use the keyboard on here if you have fat fingers or if you have skinny fingers for that matter. But do you really have to use the keyboard to be efficient? Third point, you can't write on the screen? Yes, you can. First of all, in order to make this screen very effective and a proper tool, and for you to be able to get total enjoyment out of it, even if it has a small size, here are some things that you might want to do. You'll notice that the first thing that I did with this is I got a widget at the top, and that widget contains both the day's date and the weather, so I can quickly glance at it. And that's the whole purpose of this. You want to set it up so that you can quickly glance at information. You don't want this to be used something that's going to take a lot of time. Something that you hit it, get it, and go. Hit it, get it, and go. And so you want to set your screen up like that. And you also want to set it up where you don't have to do any typing. And I got this set up where I don't have to worry about doing any typing at all. Everything will be done with voice text or typing. So if I want to go to YouTube or if I want to check out something on the internet, I have my Google search here set up with the microphone in it. Hey Google, open up Samsung browser.
Opening internet.
Okay, boom, there you go, you're there. See, they have to worry about using my fat fingers or skinny fingers on that at all. A lot of times you're going to want to take notes. So for example, for that reason, I use Samsung Notes. And in Samsung Notes, I got the Samsung Note widget here. And on the widget, you see all of the things that I need. If I want to find out what notes I have, if I want to do some text, if I want to do some scribble, if I want to do some color, or gallery, or microphone. But check this out. Oh, you can't write on the screen. Yes, you can. It's all about the tools that you use. Okay, so you also want to set it up where the things the apps that you're going to use the most, these are the apps that you want. Or if you want to do a message, if you want to get a new message going, here, and instead of using this keyboard, you don't have to use the keyboard. Again, Hey, this is a great video idea. I think that I will make a video showing people why the outer screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is still very useful. Video idea. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set it up where all of the applications that you use very quickly, you have them accessible. So I got my camera on here, I got my Tube Buddy, I got my news. So if I want some news, wow, there it is. If I want to read an article, there it is. Next, I have my Gmail. If I want to check out my email, boom, there it is. It's ready, it's good to go. Alright, next, I have my YouTube channel dashboard. If I want to take a quick peek at it, see how things are going, see if people are checking my videos out or what have you, I got that as well. If you want to send messages, of course you can use your messenger here to send messages out to different individuals, and the same format will follow. You simply open it up and then you touch your microphone. Hey, what's up? And then you can send a message. Very simple, very quick. Now you'll notice at the bottom here, I got it set up where all of the apps that I use, and whatever apps you use, this is what you want to put on the bottom. I have my phone, I have my WhatsApp, my Google Chrome, my gallery, and then my messages. And then at the very bottom, I don't like the swipe thing, like it works well on Apple, but I don't like it on my Android phone. But so I have it set up with the navigation bars at the bottom, which is what I like. Alright, I did this video because different ones in our group, our community tab, were discussing it, and they was talking about the pros and the cons of it, so I wanted to put my 2 cents in. If you found value in this video showing you how to optimize and use the Galaxy Z Fold 3 outer screen, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, share, and comment. And in the comment section below, let me know, do you now appreciate the Galaxy Z Fold 3 outer screen more? Or are you still on the side of, I hate the Galaxy Z Fold 3 outer screen? And if so, let me know why. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.